I don't believe in just like throwing the ego out. That's like throwing the baby out with the bathwater. The ego has a very important job. It helps us survive physical life, right?
And I love that. I love that you mentioned that. I'm so sorry to just please like go
over
that, but I try to say that a lot, that the ego is always kind of like being emotional. Like the ego is always like tainted as like this negative concept of the mind. It has bad traits. It guides you into a life where there's just like bad outcomes. Like the ego is always like personified to be that part of the brain that's like negative, but it's necessary.
Well, but it also depends.
Especially if it's at a healthy part
it just needs the right job. When the ego is in the role that it's suited for, it is a powerful and crucial tool for living your life well. But if you put it in the wrong job, it's going to fail and you're going to hurt for that, you know? So it's like, that's what I was saying, is that all the different aspects of yourself, nothing is a part of you for no reason. So it's understanding what role they're actually best suited for in order to help you lead the best life that you can and be the best version of yourself that you can. So it's more putting things into place and then helping all of the aspects of yourself be collaborative and work as a team instead of working against each other.
Yeah.